Okay, good morning. Morning to Ananda. Okay, the subject name is communication theory and subject code is EC8491. So this is subject code and unit 1. The name is amplitude of modulation. So I'm going to handle for second year ECE. So prepared by me. I'm Dr. Abdul Rahman, Associate Professor, the Department of ECE from MEM School of Engineering. So first of all, so we have to see what is communication. So communication is the process. So you see the diagram. That means a figure. There is a sender and receiver. So sender, they will be send the information, and receiver, they will receive the information. So communication, there is a process. It will be the information will be exchanged between sender and receiver. That is called as communication. So communication is nothing but the information exchange between sender and receiver. So this is the definition of communication. So see, there is a sender and receiver. So in between, there is a, you see that there is a line between sender and receiver. That line we can call as a medium or channel. Okay, the medium might be wired or wireless. So wired communication, that is the old communication, the telephone lines. Still, they are using telephone lines, and wireless, that is our mobile communication. So using that electromagnetic field, they are using, that is you will be study in future. So sender, so they will be send the information through medium, and receiver will receive the information from medium. uh, okay, so this is a basic diagram shown about communication. So communication system, uh, so communication system is a electronic devices that is used for communication system. So communication systems is so many electronic equipments that is used for communication purpose. The communication system, the all the equipment when assembled together, that is we can call as a communication system. So example for communication system. So we already know about what are the communication in our world. You know that. So the special example is mobile communication. So mobile communication, uh, we know that everyone using mobile. So through the mobile we are sending messages, receiving, and we can make the call through mobile, and even we can chat, WhatsApp, and every uh, kind of app we are using for transferring information one place to another place. So that is we are using mobile communication. So even for navigation purpose we are using mobile. Then computer communication, we know that everyone we are using desktop in our home, PC, personal computer. So the computer we have the internet facility. So using that internet facility, we can communicate with other people. Even there are two types of connection. One is intra connection and interconnection. Intra means it's a short range of people with communicate together. It means might be a one organization within the building. They might be a connected between us. This intra communication. That is also they are using computer. Then intercommunication, they are using internet protocols. communicate with other even other country or anywhere. They are using through internet. Even you know that we are using email. That is also communication purpose. We are using sending and receiving information. So through the device, using computer, we can communicate with the between sender and receiver. So it's a communication system example. Then radar communication. So radar communication, if any country having the satellite, so from the satellite, if any flight, if they're moving above the country, the radar, it is used to it is used to for where that flight where in the particular place the flight position will be get it from the radar communication. So using the radar you can get the information about those are flying flight or anything, those who use the sky for traveling purpose. So the radar will be communicate with that flight. Also, it will be where it will be give the information about that object. So that country, those having for defense purpose, they are using radar communication. If unwanted objects or any other flight or any other country flight if if flying upon the country, so they will automatically ask to people whether it is our flight or some other country, or without permission they are flying in upon the country. So using that radar they can easily find out. So this is one kind of communication system example. And television broadcasting. So television broadcasting, so that is another example for communication system. We know that we have the television part. So using television, we can communicate with each other. You know how we can communicate using television. So television, yeah, if the news part, if you see the news, then there is a communication you will be get it from television. Even not only news, they are using um, for internet usages. Even now that is smart tvs we are using in our home. From that smart tv we can use internet connection through the television broadcasting. So television broadcasting, you can see maximum channels. Also now the smart tv shown youtube, even that netflix, amazon prime. So these are also communication purpose we are using through the television broadcasting. And similarly radio telemetry, navigation is very important for traveling, those who are using traveling mode, not only road, especially for ship. If you go to the ship, you can't in the center of the sea, you can't see where we have to go, what's the place we stayed now. So no, nothing we can find out. So in the ship, we have that communication system navigation. So based on this navigation, we can avoid that the wrong route, or we can easily find out where we have to go. So that's the best part of communication system while we using navigation. And aircraft landing, I already said. So for if you're going to land the yeah, flight, if you want to land the flight, so the people going to ask where we have to land. Is it any flight already there in the uh, you know uh, that flight travel through the road. So is that any other flight already present in the road, uh, on the road, that is they will be already asked to the people. If it is not, then okay, the road is clear, we can uh, land the aircraft. So that is they want to communicate, otherwise there might be collision will be happen between the flights. So we have to clear the roads, and we have to ensure whether any other vehicle in front of the road. That is, we have to ask that ask the people whether it is possible to I can land to the road. So this is the usage of communication system. So these are the example for communication system we are using. Um, okay, then next. So black diagram of communication system. So black diagram of communication system. So this is a basic black diagram. So black diagram, information source, input, transducer. So these are the components present in the black diagram. So information source, input, transducer, transmitter, channel, receiver, output transducer, then finally the output source. That means output. So so this is a basic black diagram of communication system. So we see, so information source, our voice. So there is an information source, our voice is analog. So nature signal, so nature signal sent uh, to information to input transducer. So sound, picture, speech, data, etc., everything is information source. So that is sent to input transducer. So transducer, what's the use of transducer? Transducer, it's a device which convert one form of energy into another form. So transducer, it's a device, it is used for converting one form of information or what uh, the energy, one form of energy into another form. That means that our voice is a nature signal. Is that signal will be converted into electrical signal. So that is called as input transducer. So this input transducer will be send the electric signal to transmitter, and transmitter, so they will receive uh, input from transducer. So transmitter send the electric signal to transmitter. So transmitter will be transmit the signal through channel. The channel, we know, that's a very important place in communication. So channel, it might be wired or wireless. So if it is wired or wireless, whatever it may be, so there is a another phenomena or another character will be enter into the channel. That is a name we can call as a noise. So noise is nothing but it's an unwanted signal. So that is we will see in future what is noise, what's the characteristics of noise, everything. So this is basically, this noise is we don't want that signal, it's an unwanted signal. So that is also occurred in the channel. And then receiver, it will be receive the uh, signal, and finally the signal send it to output transducer. So the transducer, it convert the signal. That means what is a transducer usage? So transducer, it's a device, it is used for converting or change the energy or converting the signal one form of energy into another form. So the electrical signal will be converted into original signal. That means our audio we can hear. So that is a output transducer. So finally, This is a black diagram shown. So if you give the input information, that will be converted into electrical signal and then electrical signal sent to transmitter. Transmitter so it will be send the electric signal transmit to receiver, so, through the channel. So channel, in the channel might be wire or wireless, so the noise might be occur in the channel. So receiver, it will be receive the signal from transmitter through channel. So receiver send the signal to the output transducer. So transducer, it will be converted into original form. Then finally we will get it original information. So this is a basic black diagram of communication system. Okay. So example for communication system, radio broadcasting. The microphone convert the information or message to correspondent electric signal. Okay. So this is a basic black diagram of communication system. Okay, so this is an introduction of communication system. Thank you.